Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4 Woodgreen Drive in Pittsford.
This is a designer showcase home with an exceptional location.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this impressive 2-story foyer with side lights and hardwood floors. Open to the stunning living and dining rooms with crown molding, arch columns, and a recessed box ceiling.
This is an entertainer's dream with a highly desirable open floor plan. Featuring a granite kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a center island breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the dining area with backyard access, and a cathedral ceiling family room with 18-foot ceilings, a gas fireplace, and transom windows making the space light and bright. All with an adjacent office or bedroom with a full bathroom and laundry room. The finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room or potential bedroom with an egress window, plus great storage.
Enjoy an abundance of space upstairs with a landing leading to 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom with a jetted tub. This architect design and quality built home is evident with the craftsmanship and details. Enjoy the outdoors with a scenic front porch and sprawling backyard with gorgeous mature trees. What a great place to relax! This premier location in Kensington Woods, an area of fine homes, is steps away to Isaac Gordon Nature Park, minutes to Mendon Ponds Park, the amazing Pittsford Y, plus convenient to the University of Rochester Medical Center and the Village of Pittsford. Here we are in Showen Place in the Village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4 Woodgreen Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!